In this problem, we have to find the two numbers whose product is minus 12. Suppose we have two numbers x and y. So the product of these two is minus 12. Then sum of whose squares is a minimum. So suppose sum of the squares is x square plus y square. So we have to find the x and y so that the sum of squares is minimum. So from this equation, we can say y is equal to minus 12 by x. So we can say this sum will be equal to x square plus minus 12 by x whole square. This will be equal to x square plus 144 by x square. Now we will differentiate with respect to x. So this is equal